Hello students, today I am going to teach you 11th lesson in your textbook, that is factors and multiples. In this lesson, first I am going to teach you about factors. When a whole number is written as a product of two whole numbers, those two numbers are known as factors of the original number. Now look at this example. Find the factors of 12. First write 12 as a product of two numbers. This instruction says written as a product of two whole numbers. Product means multiplication. Now I am going to write 12 as a product of two whole numbers. You can write it as 1 multiplied by 12. 2 multiplied by 6. It is equal 12. 3 multiplied by 4. It is also equal to 12. Here I wrote 12 as a product of two whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. When you are writing factors, write these numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now look at second example. Find the factors of 19. Now write 19 as a product of two whole numbers. You can write it as 1 multiplied by 19. Here we can't divide 19 by 2. So you can't write it as 2 multiply a certain number. We can't divide this one by 3. We can't divide this one by 4. Only this expression you can write for product of two numbers. Then factors of 19 are 1 and 19. Let's start third example. Find the factors of 30. Now I am going to write 30 as a product of two whole numbers. 1 multiplied by 30. 2 multiplied by 15 equal 30. 3 multiplied by 10 equal 30. Can you divide 30 by 4? No, you can't completely divide 30 by 4. So then write 5 multiplied by 6. Now factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Write it as the answer. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Write these factors in ascending order. Let's start fourth example. Find the factors of 72. I am going to write numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How can you obtain 72? 1 multiplied by 72. 2 multiplied by which number? 72 divided by 2. It is 36. 2 multiplied by 36. It is 72. Then divide 72 by 3. 3 times 2, 6 and 3 times 24. Then 4 times. Divide 72 by 4. 4 times 18. 5. Can you divide 72 by 5? Completely. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 4, 20. Here there's a remaining 2. So you can't completely divide by 72 by 5. So you cannot write 72 as the product of two whole numbers by using 5. So I am removing 5. 6. 72 divided by 6. 6 times 1, 6. and 6 times 12. 7. We can't divide 72 by 7. So remove 7 also. 8. When you divide 72 by 8, 8 times 9, 72. 9 times 8 also 72. But 8 times 9 and 9 times 8, these two are same. So it is not necessary to write both. Write only one expression, 8 times 9. Now count how many different ways we can write 72 as a product of two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. We can write 6 ways 72 as a product of two whole numbers. 72 equal 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 6 times 12 and 8 times 9. Then factors of 72 are, write these numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Let's start fifth one. Find the factors of 120. Write 120 as a product of two numbers. 1 multiplied by 120. 2 multiplied by 60. 3 multiplied by. Divide this one by 3. It is 40. 4 multiplied by. Divide this number by 4. It is 30. 5 multiplied by. Divide this number by 5. It is 24. Then 6 multiplied by 20. 7. You can't divide this number by 7 completely. 8 times 15. 9. Again you can't divide this number by 9. 10 times 12. These are the all ways that we can write 120 as a product of two whole numbers. Now these are the factors of 120. Write it in ascending order. Factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Then write these numbers. 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. Let's start next topic of this lesson. It is multiples. First question. Write down first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. First multiple of 2. 2 multiplied by 1. 2. Second multiple. 2 multiplied by 2. 4. Third one. 2 multiplied by 3. 6. Fourth one. 2 multiplied by 4. 8. Fifth one. 2 multiplied by 5. 10. These are the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Question says write down first 5 multiples. Next one, multiples of 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are the first 5 multiples of 5. Next question. Write the multiples of 12. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. These are the first 5 multiples of 12. Now look at second question. Write down first 5 multiples of 3 greater than 10. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. But question says write multiples of 3 greater than 10. First one is 3 multiplied by 4, 12. This is the first multiple greater than 10. First multiple of 3 greater than 10. Question says to write 5 multiples greater than 10. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 3 multiplied by 6, 18. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. Question says to write first 5 multiples of 3 greater than 10. 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24 are the multiples of 3 greater than 10. Now third question. Write down 3 multiples of 6 between 20 and 40. Multiples of 6. You have to write it greater than 20. So first one is 6 multiplied by 4. It is 24. Multiples of 6. This is the fourth multiple of 6. It is 24, greater than 20. Next one is 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Next one, 6 multiplied by 6, 36. Question says, write down multiples of 6 between 20 and 40. This one is greater than 20 and this one is less than 40. These are the 3 multiples of 6 between 20 and 40. Fourth question, how many multiples of 5 are there in between 20 and 50? Multiples of 5. First write multiples of 5 between 20 and 30. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 5 multiplied by 6, 30. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 5 multiplied by 8, 40. 5 multiplied by 9, 45. These are the multiples of 5 between 20 and 50. Question asks how many multiples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5 multiples. Question asks how many multiples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiples of 5 in between 20 and 50. Now look at fifth question. What is the largest multiple of 8 less than 90? 8 times 11. It is 88. Less than 90. This is the largest multiple of 8. Answer is 88. Sixth one. Write down a number which is a multiple of 2 and 5. First I am going to write multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then write multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Question asks, write down a number which is a multiple of 2 and 5 both. You can see here 10. 10 is common to both multiple of 2 and multiple of 5. So here answer is 10. But you can write this answer in a easier method. 2 multiplied by 5. Answer is 10. When you have to write a multiple of 2 and 5, you can multiply these two numbers and obtain the answer. This is the easiest method. Here answer is 10. Here answer is 10. Seventh one, write down a number which is a multiple of 2, 3, 5. By multiplying these 3, you can obtain answer. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Multiplied by 5, 30. 30 is a multiple of 2 and 30 is a multiple of 3 and 30 is a multiple of 5. That is all for today. Goodbye everyone.